Hello dear Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Before we start our reading for the month of October 2020, I request all the Sagittarians to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So Sagittarians, before to start with the reading, I have your cards ready with me. Okay, and here are your cards. Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, and I have Two of Wands again. So cards are putting you to action this month, Sagittarians. Yeah. So to say that, I mean, yeah. So then to start with, here the card says you are about to reap some kind of benefit of your work which you have done in the past. So this work is going to be rewarded. This work is going to be going to give you some good result also. Yeah. And hmm, so this is, or you will also be getting opportunities to to do something monetary, for to do something to gain monetary benefit. You see a job, or some new project, or more work responsibilities, related things, where you will be getting some kind of monetary benefit. A kind of reward is coming to your way, appreciation is coming to your way, dear Sagittarians. Mm, again, I'm seeing that lot of communication, exchange of ideas, lot of communications, like uh, you are going to have no, messages, in the sense, you see something, some kind of opportunities you will be getting this month. I may not say that you are going to finalize on them, but yes, definitely that there will be lot of communication happening this month. It can be within your existing work, an exchange of ideas, or where you really have to lead a team, or you will be assigned with some new work, new task, and activities where you have to be, actively involved in that. So these kind of things what I'm seeing here. And so there will be a lot of yeah, communication is going to be going to take a fast pace here. It's going to be in the front end. Yeah, you may also be receiving something. You may also be hearing some things from people with whom you have not had contact from a long time, since a long time. So that kind of possibility as well. And I'm seeing that a kind of progress. You see, this communication is what I'm seeing. Sagittarians, a kind of progress this communication is going to bring into your life again. And then at the same time, this is the time where you should be, no, that you may not be, you will be, this month is going to be like a boom. I mean, this month is going to keep you so much engaged. Okay. And the challenge is you shouldn't get tired. The challenge is you shouldn't give up. The challenge is, you see, you shouldn't ignore these, all these things, and just keep quiet. So this is the time of action. This is the time where it's not action, not immediate action, but this is the time where you should consider to be consider use it for planning. Yeah. So here is a time where depends on the communication, depends on the ideas that are flowing to you, depends on the opportunities that are coming your way. This is the time where you can actually plan your future. And yes, I'm also seeing, if you are looking for any overseas travel also, so this is the time to begin with. It's not that you are going to travel this month, but yes, the planning can be started this month. So anything that you are looking forward to, based on the communications, also based on the possibilities or the opportunities that are coming your way this month. Okay. So based on that, you need to plan yourself and be prepared. This is very important because I am seeing that maybe in the next month, maybe in the following months, you may get more about it. I mean, you may get an opportunity to put these things into actions, where that time you should be prepared. If you're planning, if your foundation is strong enough, if your planning is really perfect, if your planning is good, then definitely you can make the most of that time. Okay. This is what about the cards are saying this month to Sagittarians. Yeah, a different message, isn't it? Hmm. And then I have your energy card, thinking woman. Again, the thinking woman. Okay, a wise person. See, what I'm sensing from this energy card is you may be guided, or you may be getting support of some female energy who is a wise lady, who is experienced lady. Okay, look for some people around you. If you possible, try to connect with them as well. So she is the one with whom you will be able to confide yourself, and at the same time you can receive guidance here. So this is a lady who is, this energy is going to benefit you this month, dear Sagittarians, right? And then I have a message from the angel for you. It's such a lovely message. There is nothing to worry about. Wow. It's sweet and very clear. There is nothing to worry about. And let's see in detail what angels are saying to you. You are safe, and this situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and universal order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. Isn't such a beautiful message as this from the angels, and they already know that this month is going to put you in some um, not trouble, but you see a lot of thought process happening this month, dear this Sagittarians, and where angels are guiding you that you shouldn't be worried about all these things, because this is everything is divinely protected, everything is from the divine. Highest possible outcome flows effortlessly and through you. That means you shouldn't be anxious about it, because this is these kind of, when this card comes, when eight of man comes, which is again put you in some anxiety, because lot of information coming to you, lot of communication happening. Your boss is calling, someone else is calling, you see they is talking to you, you have so many meetings scheduled. So all these things will definitely, there is a possibility that there will be an anxiety ruling upon you, so anxiety generating in you. Then this is the where the angels are saying that you shouldn't be worried about it. So try to relax and make the most of this time. And yeah, this is what I have to say for this month, dear Scorpions. And before I wind up, I really request you to please do share your honest review in the comments under this video. Yep, thank you so much for that, and thank you for being here. I really wish you good luck. I'll see you again in the coming month. Till then, bye bye. Take care.